Hi guys, we are pleased to present our project on data-driven marketing and analysis and customer segmentation. Our team consists of 5 members, Hiền, Trung, Huy, Đức Anh, and Quỳnh. In this presentation, we will explore how data analytics can be used to understand customer behavior, identify market segment, and improve marketing strategies. We hope to provide valuable insight and practical application to our analytics. Thanks for your attention, and let's get started. Firstly, datasets overview and goals. Dataset content. This is a transnational dataset which contains all the transactions occurring between December 1st, 2010 and December 9th, 2011 for a UK-based and registered non-store online retail. The company mainly sells unique on-occasion gifts, and customers of the company are wholesalers. Analysis opportunity. This dataset supports a wide range of data analysis techniques, including time series analytics, clustering, classification, and more advanced data mining tasks. As analyze the company customer data providing the cost service. 2. Understand customer growth. Identify factors affecting customer churn. Evaluate service effectiveness and customer satisfaction. Make recommendations to increase retention and optimize business strategies. At the next part, we will present you about data preparation and code introduction.
In this section, I will present the data preparation and code introduction. Step 1. The purpose of this code is install and import essential library for data processing, visualization, and further scaling, preparing for further data analysis and modeling steps. And next is step 2. Then I cleanly remove error column and filter the data. And next is step 3. Remove cancel invoice identify by invoice number starting with C. This answer only after purchase. Transaction remain for accurate analysis. And next is step 4. In this step, the invoice date column is converted from string format to datetime format to enable accurate time-based operation. Additionally, duplicate rows are removed from the dataset to eliminate any redundant or repeated transactions that could disturb metrics like total spending or purchase frequency.
In this step, a new column called total price is created by multiplying the quantity of items purchased by the unit price for each transaction. This gives the total monetary value of each individual purchase. We then compute 3 key customer metrics known as RFM: recency, frequency, and monetary. Recency measures how recently a customer made their last purchase by calculating the number of days since that purchase relative to a reference date, typically today. This helps identify active versus inactive customer. Frequency counts the number of unique purchase transactions, distant invoices made by each customer, indicating how often they buy. Monetary sums the total amount of money a customer has spent across all their purchases, reflecting their overall value. The next step is normalize RFM values to a 0 to 1 scale for comparability. This improves clustering performance on customer data. And the last step, we use elbow methods and k-means to cluster customer, and I will tell you in detail about this clustering process. To classify customer, we need to perform the following 5 steps. Step 1 is calculate RFM score for each customer that we said in the previous part. In addition to Python code, I would like to introduce you Dutch language on Power BI. It can also be used to calculate RFM. Step 2 is normalize RFM data. And step 3 is choose the number of cluster K. Easily use the elbow method to determine the optimal number of K. In k-means, there is an important metric called SSE, sum of square errors. It is the sum of the square distances from each point to its cluster center. As K increases, SSE decreases. However, the benefit of increasing K will gradually decrease after a certain of level K. Adding new cluster doesn't reduce SSE much anymore. Elbow method takes advantage of this phenomenon. Using the elbow method, we'll see that at K equal 4, the slope decreases, showing that K equal 4 is a reasonable number of groups. Step 4. Apply K-mean algorithm to group customer. Once you have divided your customer into cluster using K-means based on normalized data, the cluster values no longer have any direct meaning, so we need to go back to the original IFM values to understand specifically what each group of customer is behaving like, then compare the behavior between cluster. And the last step is label and analyze cluster. As you can see in the image, we have labeled the 4 customer groups respectively as VIP, potential, normal, and churn risk. Next will be an assessment of the characteristic of the 4 customer groups.
I would like to present a strategic segmentation of our customer based into 4 key groups. Let me briefly walk you through the 4 key customer segments we have identified. Each require a unique engagement strategy. First, we have the VIP group. These are our most valuable customers who shop often, spend the most, and should be the primary focus of upselling and retention. Next, the potential group includes customers with promising behavior. They are moderately active and could become VIPs with the right personalized incentives. Moving on, the normal group. Consider passive, inconsistent buyers who respond better to short-term promotions or bundle deals. And finally, the churn risk group show the lowest engagement and spending, requiring urgent reactivation through exclusive offers and proactive support. In short, each group offers different opportunities, and by addressing their specific needs, we can drive both loyalty and long-term growth.
I will present strategic recommendation to drive sustainable growth and optimize business performance. 1. Customer overview and products. The company currently has 4,339 customers, with VIP customer accounting for nearly 50%, generating most of the revenue. However, about 11.5 customers are at risk of churn and require careful attention. Customer segmentation based on the IFM model is well established, allowing personalized marketing campaign tailored to customer behavior. Regarding product, the top 3 best sellers contribute significantly to the revenue and should be prioritized for inventory stocking and marketing promotion. 2. Key strategies. We offer 6 strategies for business to increase revenue and retain customers effectively. The first is increase VIP customer value through upselling, cross-selling, product bundle, free shipping offer, and loyalty program to retain and grow the revenue. The second one is reactivate potential and normal customer via flash sale, reminder email, mini games, and product bundles to convert them into VIPs. The third is reduce churn among at-risk customers by conducting survey and offering special promotion by monitoring responses to optimize marketing cost. The fourth is optimize product portfolio by increasing inventory for top seller and improving quality and packaging, enhancing the product placement and applying data analysis to create effectively bundles. The fifth is manage slow-moving product with discount, bundling with popular items, and discontinuing unsuitable products. And the last one is focus on demand exceptionally high revenue. You can look at the pictures. The revenue in final months like October, November, and December sharply increases and exceeding initial expectations.
Combining personalized and automated customer care with product portfolio optimization will help the company increase revenue quickly, retain customer effectively, and achieve sustainable growth. By implementing these recommendations in a coordinated manner, the company can effectively address challenges at each customer segment and product category, ensuring efficient use of the resources and maximizing business impact.
And we are Group 2. Thanks for your attention.